to live stream on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to live stream on YouTube. So first of all, just go to the profile icon and just go to the YouTube studio of your profile of your channel, and after that just go to the settings from the left hand side menu, and from there just go to the channels and click on features eligibility. And over here you will see different options like standard feature, immediate feature, and advanced features. In the immediate feature, make sure that your immediate feature option is enabled, because here you have live streaming option, and once this is enabled, just simply come back to your YouTube account, and in the create section you will be able to see the option called go live. Just simply click on it. And now, in order to go live, enter and tweak few settings. You need to set up your live stream now, and your channel will have a review settings before you are live. And you can also schedule a stream for later time, and you can even set up ahead, of time. So if you want to do it now, just simply click on now. And if you want to do it later, just simply click on later. I want to do it now. And you have to choose which camera do you want to use. So I want to use a built-in webcam. And once this is done, you can see that your audio is coming from here. I'm using my AirPods, and this is the screen. I have covered it. And this is where your picture will be coming here. Now you can allow while visiting the site, or allow the time. Now just simply tap to stream and allow access to your camera and microphone. So I'm gonna click on this option. Now you have to enter the details. For example, title of this particular video, I'm entering live stream, and this is the description of my channel that I use in all my videos. So the caption and the details are same. You can also go ahead and upload a thumbnail if you want. I'm not uploading any thumbnail as of now, but you can go ahead and do that if you want to. And in the show more details, there are other options like you can add captions and other details. And once this is done, just simply click on next. And now you have to enter some time over here and click on next. Now you have three options. Either you can go ahead and make this live stream privately, so that only your chosen viewer can watch, or your subscribers can watch the live stream. Or you can also make it public so that anyone and everyone can make it. For this tutorial purpose, I'm going to make it on the private section. You can also go ahead and schedule before time or any other date as of your choice. And after that, just simply click on done. And once this is done, you can see that my profile background has been used as a thumbnail for this particular live, and this is where the question of the people and the Q&A will happen at the right hand side of the video, at the right hand side of the screen. And this is where the live will start. So in order to start the live, you just simply have to click on go live. As you can see that your audio and your video, everything is set. Just simply check every detail before you actually click on go live. And once everything is fine, just simply click on go live. And now you are going live on this screen right here. And once once you are done with your live stream, you can end the stream from here. Click on end, and yeah, you can see the viewers and average view duration and all the other details from here. And now if you want to edit your live that you have just made, just simply click on edit in studio, and you will come here. You can make some edit cuts, whatever you would like to make. And yeah, that's how you will do it. And if you want to delete this particular live from your content, and go to the content section, and in the live section you will be able to see your live. And now in order to delete it, just simply click on the three dot icon from here and click on delete forever. Just check the box and click on delete forever. So this is basically how you will be able to live stream on YouTube. I hope you find this video to be helpful.